Alright guys, today we are going to do a primer bulb. See, it's broken. On a stihl BG55. We're going to try doing this without removing the carburetor. I'll put the primer bulb, they've got a whole kit with carburetor and everything in there too. I'll put that in there. But we're just going to do the primer bulb. I'm not sure it's going to run or anything, but you know, this is just a quick video so you can see how to do it. I may have to do a carburetor job on this later, but I don't have that in right now. I do have a primer bulb though. We'll put that in the description below. Just click the link. First thing we're going to do is 1, 2, there's supposed to be 3 T27 torque 27 bolts. Still has a tool. It's got the torque 27 on it. I'll put this in the description below. They're cheap on Amazon. Just pop them free, get them off. Get this recoil off. Oh, no, there's another one right there. Another one hidden. Now we got that off. Just come right on off. Right, and then we're going to rinse all this off with carb or brake cleaner. We don't want any dirt going into the carb when we remove this. So just give it a good rinsing. Just like so. And then there's 4 Phillips head screws. We're going to pop those 4 out. This one's kind of hard to get to because this clip's in the way. Just squeeze it, pop it out of the way, boom, you can get to it now. Alright, so we're going to wiggle this a little bit just to get the metal and the primer bulb to come out. I left those 2 screws in there because I didn't want to drop them. Push the primer bulb out, new primer bulb in, and then we're going to just set those screws back into the holes, like so. Wiggle. Yeah, just set them back in the hole, wiggle the primer bulb into place, put the other 2 in, tighten them all down. We're going to just get them all snug first. Got them all snugged up. You're going to go caddy corner. You're going to go from this one, tighten it down, tighten this one down, tighten this one down, tighten this one down, and then one more check just to make sure they're tight. Just like that. Check, make sure you got fuel inside. Yep, there's some gas in there. And we're going to go ahead and give her a quick prime, see if it primes up. Yep, yeah, it's working. That's a good sign. Alright, then the recoil is going to go back on. This one's got a loose rope. I'll do a video on how to tighten that rope up. Actually, you know what? No, I'm not. I'm just going to go ahead and do it. So we're going to pull this out. Looks like they must have replaced the rope and didn't do it well. Pull this to a loop like this. We're going to do a counter, or we're going to go clockwise 1 time. Boom. Simple. Alright. Put it back on. Get it all lined up. Get it all setting in place. And 4 bolts back on. 1, 2, 3, and 4. He was missing one, so I'm going to do these 3 because those are more important than that one is. Alright, and then it should start. We're going to try it and see if it starts, but even if it doesn't, that's how you put your primer bulb in. And tighten your rope. It runs, but a bunch of gas came out the bottom, so I'm thinking that the fuel line, there's something wrong with the fuel lines. That'll be a whole nother video. Alright guys, I hope this helped you out. And if it did in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll put the primer ball in the description below. Yeah, peace.